Imagine you are in a dark room and you stumble upon something. The room is dark, so you haven't seen the object you've tripped over, but you know there must be something there. And that's the analogy that I use to describe dark matter. It's mysterious. It doesn't emit light. It doesn't absorb light. It's very, very hard to detect. Dark matter makes up about 85% of the matter content in the universe. The rest is ordinary matter. For example, me, you, planets, stars. To find dark matter is the most important questions right now in physics. We have not found it yet. We are in the largest underground laboratory in the world, under the mountain of Gran Sasso. We are underground because we want to shield our experiment from cosmic radiation. Dark matter, as we picture it, as we theorize it, is a particle that can make it through our bodies, that can make it through the mountain, down to our detector. Inside the detector, we have 8,500 kilos of liquid xenon. We use liquid xenon because when a dark matter particle interacts with the xenon, it produces a visible signal. So it's like when you're walking on the beach, on the sand, and you leave traces behind you. I may not see you, but I do see what you've left behind. And that's exactly what happens in our detector. We need to have visible traces from something which for us is invisible. We believe that our galaxy, the Milky Way, is embedded in a cloud of dark matter. As the solar system goes around the galaxy, we go through these clouds of dark matter. We have gravitational evidence for dark matter. You look at galaxies and they rotate much faster than you would expect from the matter that you are able to see. If you run a simulation of how did the universe come into being, and you take dark matter out of the picture, you do not end up with the universe that we live in today. Dark matter must be there for the universe to have developed the way it developed.